How you guys doing? This is Chad Johnson with Johnson Smokers. We got to do a little review on a 20-inch T smoker. Just give you guys a little specs. This is a 4-foot main chamber, 42-inch wide door. Firebox down here front at the bottom. We got a wood grain to give you some elevation for your airflow for your wood. You got 2 vents on both sides, self-tightening door handle. 42-inch wide door. It's going to give you about 9.5 square foot. But keep that in mind when you're kind of A-B'ing it against like an offset firebox. A T-pit will give you a little bit more cooking capacity per the footprint. We got slide-out racks, square tubing frames. They're not going to bend on you. We can do stainless or regular expanded metal. Top rack slides all the way out. It's totally independent of the bottom rack. You read on the website. There's a baffle inside the bottom of this smoker. It makes the heat and smoke go to the edges underneath this baffle. Then it curves back around, comes across your cooking racks, and goes out your stacks. You do not have a hot spot here on the middle of the smoker. That baffle plate that we have down here has a 2-inch lip on it. It also serves as a charcoal pan. You can pull these racks out, dump your bed of charcoal in there, slide the racks back in. You can use this as a charcoal grill. So everything's 1/4-inch steel. Go with the smoker with a flapper here. All the wheels nice and smooth. Dual stacks and everything. Dual vents, dual stacks. We can put wheels on the stand. This, I don't know if you can see this, has a little outlet here for a Guru fan. We can add that if you want to. We have very good luck with the T smokers. Small footprint, but they do have a lot of capacity for the footprint. Give us a call. My name is Chad. JohnsonSmokers.com. Thank you.